Sandy Vauxhall, just coming back for video 3 in our quick tutorial on our AI bid writing product Tender Ninja. So firstly, as you saw in the first 2 videos, you've uploaded your knowledge base, you've started answering some questions in Project Manager. Now, how do you improve those questions? How do you work with them? So we batch processed and answered these 4, and you can start to nose around here. So you can look into what it is. You can edit here if you like. Nice and straightforward. You see what it's written. This is totally editable. You can change it to say whatever you like. It also shows you the source used and how good that score is. There's a really good feature we've got where it gives you a ranking of how good the sources it's calling from are, which helps you prune your knowledge base. So you can also review this source specifically in what we call Response Builder. So if I click this button, it will head to Response Builder, the next tab down on the list. And you see a couple of things that's happened here. So you've got this automatic generation. If you wish to look for sources yourself manually, you can click manually, or you can add more sources and you can make it look. Maybe one source isn't quite enough. It tends to default to 1, just because it uses less processing power for you. So now I've added source material. I've now got 2 sources. I don't know if they're both relevant, and it looks like it is. You should get an improved result. And then, of course, you can click Generate Answer. If you click it properly, you'll get this little icon on the top right, shows you that it is doing something. While it's doing something, one thing you could do, maybe you want to resize the panes. These are all really flexible, just because it's important to be able to see everything you're working with. I find it easier to edit when I've got a bigger screen on. First thing you can see it's done is it's given you a structure for the question. This is a really useful feature. This really helps the AI focus in on answering all part of the question. So if you look at the question asked, it actually breaks up into a number of different bits. So how does your organization ensure anti-malware software is up to date across all devices and systems? There's a lot of different bits kind of impacted there. So the answer structure breaks out every little bit and tells the AI what it needs to do. That then enables the AI to write an answer, even tells you when it's done it. And here is your answer that's been generated. That's come in basic view, but we really recommend using the pro view, which gives you an immediate sentence by sentence breakdown of how good all those sentences are. So you see the first one, it's given it a pretty poor score, but that's one of those kind of introductory sentences that you don't get any marks for, but everybody kind of has. And hey, we all know that word count is always important in these. So having something that you actually, if I was honest, I could probably get rid of that. You can do that. You can go to actions. You can delete it. Nice and easy if you want to. You can also do a number of other things. So you could reword the entire response, or you could pick out a sentence, just picking this one at random, and say, I want to expand that. The AI will then go away and think about adding extra detail, giving you all the information you need. If you like this answer, once you've played with it, you can then just click that button. You won't have seen that. It just sent it off screen, and it's exported that to a docx file. Now, once you've got all the answers, you can click onto your project manager folder. You can make them done. This is a great way if you've got multiple editors looking and you've got a range of different people in your team, so nobody gets ahead, everyone knows where you are. Once they're all ready, then you simply go and export. It always goes to docx, hit the export button, off it goes, and you've now got one shiny response that you can edit in Word, or you can simply upload straight to the portal. We've got one more video to go, talking about style template and the back office features, just to get the most of it. But basically, if you've got this lot, you can already get going, and we'll see you in video 4.